All right, boys and girls, here we are, day 6, May daily math, and number 1 and 2 are kind of like a combo problem, and it says mental math. Use mental math. All right, so we're going to start at the number 57. That's what it says to start at, right? And then it says to add 99. So let me think. What number is really close to 99? 98. No, that's not what I'm thinking. How about 100? Because it makes it a little easier, right? So 57 and 100 is just simply 157. But we got that one that we're missing from 99 to 100. So it's going to be 156. Okay? Yeah, good job. All right. Number 2 says, subtract 56. So this time we're going to subtract 56. Wow, look at that. There's a 6 right there, and there's a 5 right there. Really? That's awesome. That's just going to make it 100, right? Boom. And then divide by 10. Okay. What's 100 divided by 10? How about 10? What'd you guys get? Did you guys get 10? Is your answer for number 1? Did you? Oh, that is great. That is great. Okay. Well, then let's look at number 1 and 2, excuse me. Let's look at number 3. Write a multiplication equation for this array. All right, so let's count how many drops of rain here that we have. 1, 2, 3 down. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 3 times 9 equals something. 3 times 9, that's like 3 times 10 minus 3. Is that right? Ah, yes it is. Which would be 27, because 30 minus 3 is 27. Okay. Number 4, we're going to have to do our best guesstimate there with the old, the Kula Rula. Numbers of inches. I don't have anything to measure that's on that piece of paper anyways, but I can measure this pattern block. So let's check it out. Let's see here. To the nearest, now this one says to the nearest quarter of an inch. So I got to 0 it first, right? It's not the edge of this, it's the 0. Oh, that's cool. It even says start here. I've never seen that before. That's awesome. I like this more and more. All right, the nearest quarter inch. So here's 1. Here's 1 1/4. Here's 1 2/4. 1 3/4. 2. So at the nearest inch, we are just a little bit closer to 2 inches than we are to 1 3/4 inches. So this one, yours may be different. 2 inches for this side. But now let's do this side, because why not, right? Because it's fun. Okay. To the nearest inch. Move over, clock. Here we go. Well, that's pretty simple. That's like right on 1. Okay. Wow. That was looking good. Good luck with yours. Hope you get them all. So then it said, how far did Rainbow walk in all? Well, we would add the 2 inches plus the 1 inch equals 3 inches. Yours may be different on your sheet because I don't have the sheet. And I really can't measure on the computer screen because I just don't know how big it is. So do your best on it. I'm sure you're doing awesome. Okay. Number 5. Yes. Riddle. Rounding riddle. These are always so good. A number has 3 digits, an 8, a 0, and a 4. Ooh, okay. To the nearest 10, the number rounds to 410. What number is it? Well, right away we know it's 4 hundreds, so there's going to be a 4 in the hundreds column. So we're going to put this one over here in the hundreds, okay? Now, we're either going to have 480 or 408. So 480 rounded to the nearest 10 is, well, That is 480. 408. Rounded to the nearest 10. Identify your place. Tens. Look next door. I see an 8. 5 or more raise the score. So we're going to go up to 410. Hey, that's the number. 408 right here. Woo! All right, boys, girls, way to go. Day 7's coming up. Okay, see you then.